Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to add your WhatsApp link in your TikTok. So first of all, launch your TikTok app and just go to your profile. And now note one thing, that if you're a TikTok personal account user, then you won't be able to add your WhatsApp link. So to add link, you have to convert your personal account to business account. And here's how to do it. From your TikTok profile, just tap on this hamburger menu and tap on settings and privacy. And here tap on account. And now, as you can see, I've already converted my account to business account. If you're a personal account user, then here you will see switch to business account. Just tap on that and follow next steps to convert your account to business account. Once done, go back to your TikTok profile page and now tap on edit. And here we can see the website option. So just tap on website, and in this website link box you have to type here wa.me / and then just type your WhatsApp account number without plus or hash sign. Just write here your phone number, WhatsApp phone number with international format code. And then tap on save. And